How to refund games on your Steam account. So first in this tutorial, what we need to know is that first the game should not have been played for more than 2 hours and the game should have been purchased for not more than 14 days. So first what we need to do is go to our Steam account and open it, and go to our account right here and click on account details. So once you have done that, you may see a option called view purchase history, and click on that and click on the game that you want to have a refund. And for this tutorial, let's go click on Cyber Hunt, and then you would see a option here called I would like a refund. So just click on that option, and after that you would see a I'd like to request a refund, and click on that option as well. And then here you may see this request a refund form, and then you can also state your reason here and your notes. So just state your reason in your notes and you will be done. So once you are done, just click on submit and you will receive a confirmation form. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.